The dew can be a deciding factor late in the night. This looked to be a batsman-friendly track, offering very little for the bowlers. The captains are ready to call for the toss. Heads or tails, it's anyone's guess. Heads is the call, and tails it is. It's a good wicket to bowl on, and the winners of the toss know it. This is it. It's time for the match to begin. Both the teams are looking confident, and we can expect to see a good contest between the bat and the ball. Some spin now, and off spinner comes into the attack. This is an absolute over ball. It has sent the bails flying all around. The bails are lit. What a delivery. A new batsman walking in. Hope he can save his team's hopes. Fielders are doing their move in the ground. He hits long and hard, down the ground, over the ropes it goes. What a cracking start. A boundary off his first encounter. It's out. The stump is lit up. The bowling is on a roll here. It's a bloodbath at the batter's end. Close. Third umpire is being referred here. Brilliantly stumped by the keeper, but the batsman pulls his feet into crease. Caught with good judgment in the outfield. He's misread that ball completely. An unfortunate duck out. He's had absolutely no time to settle in. Out of the first delivery. Golden duck. Time for some spin now. An off spinner comes into the attack. An absolute scamster of a ball completely fools the batsman. close. Third umpire is being referred here. Wow, what a beauty from the keep. It's an all-out attack from the bowling. Another batsman bites the dust. The bowler's on a hat-trick here. A lovely drive down the offside. Beautiful follow-through. The target looks easy on paper. The bowlers will have to work hard to turn this match their way. A change of pace. A fast bowler has now joined the attack. He's almost knocked his block off. A savage bouncer gets a strong warning. Ample rotation of the upper body there. A textbook square cut. He's got it in hand. Chucks it right back. He's decided to bowl over the wickets this time to try something different. That's sliced away brilliantly by the batsman. Great timing on that square cut. He has to run hard on this one to be safe. Looks like he has to make a dive to save his wicket. The decision is in favour of the batsman. Not out, says the umpire. A lack of control from the bowling, resulting in a wide. He just waits for the ball and nudges it very late. He's pulled his team over the boundary line. They've been let down by the bowling unit. They failed to get some important wickets.